How to fix login errors on one mobile app. If you want to fix any sort of errors that you're having on the one mobile banking application, it is actually quite very simple to fix it. Now for this, all you have to do is, first of all, you want to make sure it is not the issue with your internet connection. So first and foremost, just make sure it's working fine. After that, you can simply go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, over here you have to simply go to the option called General, then simply go to iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, here you'll find other options as such. Then from here you can tap on Show All and simply look for the one application right here. So once you basically go to the one application here, you should be able to see many options. So you want to make sure to offload the app and see if that helps you. If you're on Android, you can try to basically clear the data of the app. Now what you can also do is, the issue could also be happening because your login details are incorrect. So make sure to enter your phone number, or you can also choose to sign in with your email. Make sure your email address is correct and tap on sign in with your phone number or email, and once done, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then log in to your one mobile banking account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.